Hey IL Makiage fam, this is Dr. Ari Says. I am here today to show you my favorite fall makeup look using my favorite IL Makiage products. So first off, I just want to get a really smooth base, and so I'm going to use the No Filter Poreless Base Primer. This stuff is amazing, and then I'm also going to use the IL Makiage 100 Foundation Blending Brush just to blend everything in. So I have one pump of it on my brush, and I'm just going to spread it all over my face. And now my favorite part is using the Woke Up Like This foundation. I am the shade 105, and I got color matched online actually. It blends so well, and it really color matches to exactly what your skin tone is. And this is what my face looks like with the foundation on. I feel like it just gives a beautiful, perfect base for you to do the rest of your makeup. The I'm Flawless Multi-Use Perfecting Concealer, and I am in the shade 08. I like to go a little bit lighter than my actual skin tone because I like to highlight my face like this. So now that I have my concealer on, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. It spreads so well. So now that I have my concealer all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and use the Infinity Longwear Matte Lipstick. I'm not going to be using this on my lips, but instead I'm going to be using this on my cheeks because I love, love, love the color. And this is 409 Matte Freak. Look at how beautiful this blush color is. I mean, technically it's lip color, but it looks so good as blush. I love using it, and I'm just going to be using the Hydrating Setting Spray to lock everything in place. I like to use it on like a blender, and I just spray it twice, and then I just dab my face with it. I'll be using the translucent setting powder to just lock everything in place, and I also like to use it because I do have skin that's on the oily side, especially in my T-zone. So essentially everywhere, oh my god, I always do that. I always get powder all over me. And I'm going to bake the sides of my face. I like to leave it there for about a minute or two. So now that my translucent powder is all blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Mineral Baked Highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and dab this, and since it is a highlighter, I'm gonna put it on my cheekbones, and I just very lightly sweep it on. And then I'm gonna use it on the other side, and down my nose as well, and on my temples. Next up, I'm going to be using some eyeshadow. This is the Color Boss eyeshadow in the shade Shopaholic. I just like to put a tiny bit on the base of my eye, just because I like to give a quick little highlight, something very subtle and natural. So now I'm going to be putting some eyeshadow on my under eye, and I'm going to be using the Color Boss palette. This is the multi-dimensional eye color quad, and I'm going to be using the shade Worth It, which is that one right there. It's such a beautiful eyeshadow palette. I think it's perfect for fall and winter, honestly. I love a good blue eyeshadow. So I'm just going to put that in and really subtly just put it in my under eye. So I just finished putting it on both eyes. It's very, very subtle, but I really love how it looks because I feel like it kind of makes my whole look come together. It makes your face look just better and put together. So I'll be using the Dirty Talk lip color in the shade Cairo. This is probably the most beautiful color I have used in a very long time. It is perfect for fall, and let me just show you what it looks like on. So this is what it looks like on. I think it's really beautiful for fall because it gives you that darker look, and it is like a dark brown. I want to say it's like a dark nude to brown color. I really love it, and I would wear it every day, honestly, because it is just so stunning and beautiful. So now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on my bottom lashes. So I'm currently using the Icon High Volume and Curl Mascara. This is amazing. I actually have lash extensions right now, but when I don't have it, I still use this on my top lashes, and it literally makes you look like you have lash extensions. So for now, I'm just using it on my bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just fill in the sparse areas of my eyebrows. I am using the IL MAKIAGE brow pen in the shade Espresso. I don't like to go too dark, so I do use the shade Espresso, even though my own eyebrows are, I want to say, on like the dark brown to black side. And I am going to go ahead and just fill in these sparse areas. And now I'm going to be using the Longwear eye pencil in the shade Oreo. This is what it looks like. And I just am going to create the tiniest little wing on the outsides of my eye. So this is what it looks like on, this is just a little wing that I put on the sides of my eyes. I love how the eyeliner just kind of glides on, and it's very rich as well in color. Thank you guys so much for watching my fall makeup tutorial using my favorite IL MAKIAGE products. I would have to say my favorite product has to be either the lipstick or the foundation, because the foundation is so perfectly matched to your skin tone, and the lipstick is just so beautiful, and it's the perfect shade for fall.